In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Google Photos app. By updating your Google Photos app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues that might be related to your app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, you need to go ahead and find Google Play Store on your Android smartphone, and mine is here. Now from here, go ahead, tap on it to open, and you should see a search bar on top here and search for your app. However, if you can't see a search bar on top here, you should see a search icon here. Tap on it, and now you can see it has been activated. From here, first you'll need to log in with your Gmail account, and then just search for Google Photos or just Photos, like that, as one word, and tap on search to find it. As you can see, I have my Google Photos app here, and we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Google Photos. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Google Photos, then install it on your smartphone. Now, once this has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of Google Photos. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.